Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Nisa from S4A class, and in this video for English Phonology subject, I would like to tell you about English consonant. Let's start. Well, the consonant, they are characterized by the following set of attributes. 1. Voicing. Voicing is vocal fold, position, and movement. 2. Place of articulation. Place of articulation is location of constriction in the vocal tract. 3. Manner of articulation. Manner of articulation is type of constriction made in the vocal tract. Voicing have two sounds. The first one is voiceless, and the second is voice. Voiceless is sounds they are made with the vocal folds open, allowing the free passage of air across the glottis. These are the voiceless sounds. P, for the example, pen. T, for the example, two. K, for the example, book. F, for the example, 5. T, for the example, 3. S, for the example, science. Sh, for the example, shop. Ch, for the example, chicken. Voice is sounds are made with a more or less regular vibration of vocal folds. These are the voice sounds. B, for the example, book. D, for the example, day. G, for the example, game. F, for the example, fast. D, for the example, mother. Z, for the example, puzzle. Sh, for the example, sure. J, for the example, age. And next, place of articulation. Place of articulation have X sounds. 1. Bilabials. 2. Labiodental. 3. Dental. 4. Alveolar. 5. Palato-alveolar. 6. Palatal. 7. Velar. 8. Glottal. Next, manner of articulation. Manner of articulation have 6 sounds. 1. Stops, also called plosive. 2. Fricative. 3. Affricate. 4. Nasals. 5. Lateral. And 6. Approximant. And that is the material of English consonant, and I think enough from me. Thank you for watching, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.